Ka Kyndang jong ka sarkar Assam yaki brio ki bamdai ki trai Jylla ki bala shushong ban buhai shnong hapo Assam kala penlong yaki Jylla hapo kan ka than na mingi ban penmi daki hukum syaki buat penyat district ki bayajan bat ka Assam baki dei ban long ki ba pet ngor bat ban pet siar. Na pedang kini ke Jylla ke Meghalaya ke dei ke bakat duk pat ban penmi ya kum kan ni ke jingpen mana kata ha ka arpulai tarik unaitung arhajar arpusan. Ha ka jingpen mana ka belasoi da additional chief secretary Ushakil P Ahmed ubakmi ya ka tanat home political ula betha ya ke deputy commissioner jong baro ki district ban na ka jingkendang ka sarkar Assam ya ki nongwan buhai shnong bean ka la bandon ke jingma ka bar kindon ki brio ki ban persyang ban rung syapo ka Jylla kumta ka long ka Donkam na ka benta ban penklan ban te lakam ya ka jingwan rung kirthep kini ki brio. Hadin ke jingpen mi ya kan ni ke jingpen bena ha ka arpu sautarik unaitung arajar arpusan na kaliang menteri rangba ke Jylla ukon dot ke sangma ula lum kerpang ya ke jingelang barki officer rangba ke Jylla ki bakentup nadu chief secretary uba DP Walang bat ke DGP ke kong Ida Shisha nongrang bat kiwei. Nalor ka jing matha ya ki DC jong ka district baro bakin long ki bapet ngor u konrad ula ong ba ka jingelang ka ba ulum ka long banyak keren ya ki kam ki ban kta na ka jing khenra menderi ka ba jaha Assam ka ba kala don ka jing matha ba ki officer ka Jylla ken long ki bapet perman khamtam haki jaka khaput bemarjan bat ka Assam bat ki jaka ki bemarjan bat ka jing khenra. Shu ula pentip ru ba ki board district ki pulit ki village defense party VDP bat ki kli nong sinshar shnong kinya trai lang minta ban penti kina ya ka jing sam jing tip hakapor ka babiang bat ru ban shim ye ki senjam ki berdonkam bat ban pentim. Ula banru ban penti kina ba hadu ketika sengi kampat don satia ka nu ka jingja ba wanrung ki brio ba syak Kyndang na Assam ha ka nu ka district ka Jylla.
The overall effect of the recent eviction drive that has been taking place in the state of Assam. And based on that, the government has been continuously engaging with the deputy commissioners to ensure that the deputy commissioners further engage with the block level, the BDO officials, as well as the thanas, the police personnels, the VDPs in different villages, different NGOs and different traditional heads. And all this communication and overall interaction is being done to ensure that there is no infiltration or movement that takes place because of the eviction that is taking place in Assam into our state of Meghalaya. There are certain vulnerable districts, especially bordering Assam and closer to the areas where the eviction drive in Assam is going on. Hence, special attention is being given in those districts. And we had, as I said, a review meeting today where all the officials involved were present, and we have been reported and informed that no incident has taken place in any of the districts, and that all the district administration, the police, the VDPs, the different village level committees, the different traditional heads, the different NGOs, all are being coordinated with to ensure that any information that we receive on any movement or any individuals coming in will be informed immediately to us and appropriate action will be taken. So a review took place today for that at my level, and we have given necessary instructions to be on alert, especially in the border areas, especially the ones that are bordering Assam, and especially the ones that are bordering the areas where the eviction drive is taking place.
Henry tang hadin chismi kata haka apusan tarik unaitung arjar apusan kaseng FKJ GP Shillong City haka jingyo ban lum ya ka jingtip ka batikna kala yo ban bat kumbahan reu hadu nyau teli ki bus night super ki bakit ya ki bar Jylla pa ishan khamat ki ba poi sha ki benta ka North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science lani NEIGRIHMS bat ban penlong ya ka jingkhenra.
आधार कार्ड या वोटर आईडी दिखाई
आगे लेके नहीं है आपको
अब जाओ नहीं फिजिकल सब फिजिकल आईडी दे दो
वो देखिए
ना आपका दिखाइए नाम क्या है आपका क्या
नहीं साइड में रुका अगर हॉस्पिटल
किसका जी आपका क्या काम करने आया ना
कमल साहू
ये आईडी का आधार नहीं मैं आपका
Ha katay ka jingkanra kabala bu ka jingkali yakini ki bar Jylla ki babon naki kila pentep ha ka FKJGP baki wan sha katay ka jaka ban wan sha sumar Henry na ka jingbam shai ki juba yaki babon katay ka seng kala penher krat yaki katba yaki badan yaki kot kislai la sha. Ha kabay day bat kani ka khubor kala penlong ya Shillong Mail ban bishar benya kaba usyam bah ka jingkendang yaki beriu ki basyang buhay shnong ka sarkar Assam ka klem map ru yaki tu ki bala sa bun snem ha katay ka jaka lada kim shem la penrong kerteng yala dia ha ka National Register of Citizens lani NRC. Kumta ka jing ya ka Jylla Meghalaya ka long bakini ki basya Kyndang ha Assam ki la banday ki bala wan ban sumarteng menshwa ha ka North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science lani NEIGRIHMS ha ki por ki bala dep Henry ban yo wan buhay shnong pat minta ha Meghalaya na ka jing sya Kyndang na Assam ki la pat ban wan minta kum kinong pang kumta ban Pynshisha ka sarkar Meghalaya ka day ban pan ya ka kerteng jong ki basya Kyndang na Assam bat ka baar ka day ban pan jing Pynshisha na ki doktor ka tay ka hospital bat ki way day ki kot kisla ka bakan thop yaw ARN bat NRC.
Habatin pej bahagi kishap ka Shah plus F
का प्लस F
hakabam bangibam duna ki eki bataye kamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka Shah plus F haka jingsom yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka Shah plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya